for sale today is a beautiful 2021 Toro Dingo TX1000. This is the narrow track with the vertical lift, so you can load the sides of a 1-ton dump. It has a 1,000-pound lifting capacity. It's got a 25 horsepower Kubota diesel engine, dual diesel fuel tanks, and it's 36 inches wide, so you can get through a lot of gates and things with it. It's a very powerful machine. This machine being a 2021, it's only got 700 original hours. It was a one-owner machine. This company had it. They just used it to load mulch. It wasn't used on any construction sites or anything, so it's been very lightly used to load mulch. Always building, stored, so it's in great condition. These machines are very expensive. They're very sought after. They're almost $50,000 new. They're around $46,000, $48,000 by the time you get them delivered. They're about $50,000. So here at Freight Store, we'll be selling it for a lot less than that, and it's an excellent deal. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to fire it up. I'm going to run it around a little bit, show you how it operates, and then we'll take the camera closer and get some close-up videos of it. Again, this is a 2021. There you can see the bucket is in great condition because you can see the edges aren't even worn. It's used to load mulch, never on a construction site. Lightly used by the original owner, one-owner machine. You can see the stickers are still on. It's 36 inch and made in the USA, not made overseas where those cheap machines are being sold now that they only last a couple months. These machines last years and years. This is a Dingo TX1000. It's got the vertical lift, so you see how high it lifted so you can load a dump truck. It's got the narrow track. That seems to be what everybody wants because it's very versatile. You can get in and out gates and things with it. As you can see, it's in great condition. Only 700 original hours. 2021. Now this is some nice controls on these 1000s. They're a two-hand control. You use this for your forward, back, and reverse, and also to turn the machine. And you have this for your bucket. So it's very handy and very ergonomical. There's your dual fuel tanks for diesel. It's a diesel machine with again, it's a Kubota 25 horsepower, very powerful machine, 1,000-pound capacity. Tracks are in great shape. That's original tracks. Always building, stored by the original owner. Extremely nice machine, very expensive machines. And here you've got your Kubota 25 horsepower diesel engine, in great shape. We go all through these machines, make sure if they need anything, we fix it. This machine actually needed nothing. There you go, there's your quick attachment bucket and your auxiliary lines. There's about 40 attachments for these things, including post hole diggers and rock hounds and everything that you can imagine. Very expensive machines, as I said. You'll find them online for anywhere between $46,000 and $48,000 by the time you get the machine delivered. You're talking about almost $50,000, but here at Freight Store, we'll be selling it for a lot less than that. Extremely nice. One owner, Toro Dingo TX1000 vertical lift narrow track mini skid steer. Always building stored, only used to load mulch. And then I believe the company went out of business. And so it's in excellent condition. Any questions? My name's Kevin. My number is 724-516-1142.